Welcome back sa ating FB page na Free Reviewers with Leonalyn at sa ating YouTube channel na Solving Math with Leonalyn. Now, dito na tayo sa karugtong. Ito ay galing pa rin sa isa sa ating mga followers. So, marami to. Tapos na tayo sa una. Then, sa video itong dalawa ang sagutan natin at abangan itong nandyan. So, let's read the problem. A cornfield can be plowed by 6 tractors in 4 days. When 6 tractors work together, each of them plows 120 hectares a day. If 2 of the tractors were moved to another cornfield, then the remaining 4 tractors could plow the same field in 5 days lang. How many hectares a day would 1 tractor plow then? So, lahat ng mga choices, ito yung mga hectares per day sa pangalawa kung saan 4 na lang sila. Okay, una, alamin natin kung ilan ba yung kabuuang hektarya. Malalaman natin yan sa unang statement kung saan yung pangalawa pala when 6 tractors work together, each of them plows 120. Itong 120 hektarya yan siya. Then, 6 sila. So, therefore, i-multiply natin to ng 6. 120 times 6, this is 720. So, 720 hectares in a day. In 1 day. Ilang araw sila? 4 days. So, i-multiply natin ito ng 4. So, therefore, this is 2,880 hectares. Ito ay kabuuan. Yung lahat ng hektarya, 2,880. If 2 of the tractors were moved to another cornfield, then the remaining 4, 4 na lang sila, could plow the same field in 5 days. Yung 4 in 5 days. So therefore, ito ay divide natin sa 5 times 4. Therefore, 2,880 i-divide natin sa 20. This is equal to 144. Yan na yung per day nila. Yan na yung sagot. Now, halimbawa na lang hindi nyo na-gets kung bakit i-multiply natin si 5 by 4. At yan yung pang-divide natin. So, isa pang paliwanag. Doon na tayo sa kabuuan. Ilan lahat? 2,880 hektarya ang lahat. Now, kung 4 na lang sila, so i-divide natin ng 4. So, ang kada isa nila ay 720 hektarya. Pero, yung kada isa, sila lahat bale, natatapos nila in 5 days. Therefore, i-divide pa natin ito ng 5. Kasi man, yung isang traktor, matatapos niya yung 720 na hektarya. Pero matatapos niya yan in 5 days. Yung tanong kasi, a day. Ilang hektarya a day? So, i-divide natin ng 5 sa 720. 720 divided by 5, that is still equal to 144. Yan na yung sagot. Next, number 3. If the weight of 241 kilogram moving truck increases to 3 1/8 times when fully loaded with appliances, what will be its weight with a full load? I-multiply lang natin to. 3 1/8 times. So therefore, 241 times 3 1/8. Bago tayo mag-multiply, kailangan itong mixed fraction natin, gawin nating improper fraction. Ito pa naman yung nasa grupo natin. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 1, this is 25. Kopyahan yung denominator na 8. So we have 241 times yung improper fraction natin na 25 over 8. So, kayo na mag-isa-isa dito na i-multiply natin yan. Hindi na natin yan isa-isa. 241, i-multiply natin sa 25. This is 6,025. Kopyahin si 8. 6,025 divided by 8. Ilang 8 sa 60? This is 7. 7 times 8, this is 56. So mag-minus tayo, i-bring down si 2, 42. Ilang 8 yan siya? We have 5. 5 times 8, this is 40. Tapos, ang difference dyan ay 2. I-bring down natin itong si 5. 25, ilang 8 yan siya? 3. 3 times 8, this is 24. So, ang remainder natin dito ay 1. Ang sagot, 753. Isa lang sa choices. Isa lang yung merong 753. So, yan na yung sagot. Pero yung fraction natin. Itong 1 na remainder, yan yung numerator. Kopyahin si 8 na denominator. Ito na yung exact na sagot. 753 and 1/8 kilograms. Now, ngayon, ito yung abangan nyo sa next na video. The weight in pounds of 7 packages are listed below. The weight of an 8 package is added to the list. The mean weight of the 8 packages is 12 pounds. What is the weight in pounds of the 8 package? Napakadali lang nito. Average tayo. Yan yung abangan nyo sa next na video. Thank you and God bless.